How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix not detecting your headset on the iCUE software. So when this happens, this means that our device isn't properly connected. So you just want to make sure that you are using the right wireless connection, and same thing if you're using a wired connection. If not, you want to go ahead and try plugging your dongle or your wired connection onto another USB port to see whether the port that you are using doesn't have any problems. From there, let's head over to the add or remove programs on our computer. Click on the setting software right here. Simply search for iCUE. Click on these three dots, and then you want to click on modify. Click on yes, and then this will just simply repair all of the missing files, corrupted data, or many more. Basically, if our application isn't working properly, this will then fix all of that. So you just want to click on the close button, restart your computer to make sure that the drivers are properly loaded in, and then basically that will help you fix the problem. If not, we want to get a new installer by simply uninstalling the application altogether, download a new one from the official website, and that's going to be the last resort if none of this fixed the problem. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.